In question number 4, ABC is a triangle in which altitude BE and CF to side AC and AB are equal. Look at this figure. Here ABC is a triangle where BE and CF both are altitude of sides AC and AB. Okay, altitude means perpendicular on AC, and CF is altitude of AB. That means CF is perpendicular on AB. Okay. Then we need to show that our triangle ABE and triangle ACF both are congruent, and AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC. Therefore, we need to show that this triangle is our isoscale triangle. Okay, isoscale triangle. So let us try. How can we solve this? Okay, in this question we have two hints. Number one, first one is CF and BE both are altitude and both are equal. Okay, this one and this one both are equal and both are right angle altitude. Am I right? So let us start. Solution. So first, in triangle ABE and triangle ACE, first one is this angle A. Okay, A is common, ABE and ACE. So in both triangles we can say that angle A is common. Am I right? So we can write angle A is equal to angle A because of common. Now second thing is, look at here. First one is our triangle ABE. So ABE, in triangle ABE we can say that angle of BEA, okay, or AEB is a right angle. Angle AEB is equal to, okay, angle of E is a right angle. Now look at here, in triangle ACF, okay, this is ACF. Here we can say that F is a right angle. Am I right? F is a right angle. So you can write AFC is our, both are equal, AFC, because both are right angle. Okay. Now third thing is, look at here. In this question we have given this BE is equal to CF, both altitudes are equal. That's why we can write BE is equal to CF from given. Okay. So look at here. Here angle, and third one is side. So you can write by angle, side congruence rule, triangle ABE is congruent triangle ACE. Okay. Now we need to show that AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC. Look at here. I would like to draw one rough figure like this. Okay, here in both E is a right angle. Okay, sorry, you can assume this is a right angle. Here A is common. Now first one is ABE. So this one is B, and ACF. So this one is C. So look at here. AE is corresponding to AF and both are altitudes. Am I right? E and F both are equal because both are 90 degree. And we also saw that BE, this one is equal to this one. That's why by simplicity we can say that our AB is equal to AC. Am I right? So by simplicity we can write AB is equal to AC. So this is the solution of our question number 4.